Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of fundcheck.us. So this is basically an online platform that claimed to help Americans secure their stimulus payments. As you can see, you can claim your emergency of $1,400 to up to $5,000 relief payment right now, and it provides you with a fast track assistance for rent, groceries, utilities, and you don't even need a credit card to check for this. So pretty much a really good deal, right? But now let's dive deeper and find out what actually behind those fancy promises. So once I tried searching for the reviews of this platform, this Game Advisor website, I got to know that they have a worst possible rating of 1 out of 100 trust score. So this is a major red flag. Apart from this, once I tried searching for the reviews on another website, I got to know like this platform was recently exposed and it is pretty much a scam. And also tried to search for their domain name information on the whois.com, and I got to know that it was registered very recently in 2025. So this raises concern about the legitimacy of this platform. Apart from this, based on the reviews we have gone through so far, this platform is pretty much a scam. So in conclusion, I would say like this is completely a scam website and you should avoid connecting your cards with this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.